Why do people have cravings, which lead to addictions? Whether it's an addiction or a craving for a food, a beverage, or a drug. However way you look at it, it's an addiction, because as hard as you're trying to stop it, you can't. You start going through withdrawals. People have withdrawals with food. For instance, the number one is, well, there's several. In the top five, I'll give you a list of top five, is nicotine, alcohol, caffeine. All right? And the more that we consume it, the more your body consumes it, it makes you feel good. And what it causes is a release of dopamine. Dopamine is a chemical that's released from the brain that travels throughout the body and gives you this feeling. And it's usually a euphoric feeling, a happy feeling, a good feeling. Anytime you crave something, donuts, sugary foods, cakes, cookies, all right? You just have this craving. Your body is craving it because you don't have it. You need that release of dopamine in your body. And as soon as you eat it or consume it, you feel great. You got that release of sugar and you got that release of dopamine. Sugar is more addicting than heroin. It's amazing, huh? Other foods, a lot of these addictions sometimes are because of chemical imbalances in the body or other disorders of the body, which, being a physician, if someone comes in, for example, I'm a pediatrician, and you know, kids eat dirt. You see kids eat dirt. That's what they do. Kids will eat dirt and clay and things of that nature. You know, you consider it normal. But when it starts happening to teenagers or adults, you know, why do adults have a craving for chewing on paper? Or, you know, you hear some, yeah, I eat dirt. You know, that's not normal. That's not normal. Or they have a craving for ice, which is not frowned upon as much as eating dirt or clay or chewing on paper or whatever else. There's a deficiency of that. Ice is an indication of anemia, iron deficiency. It doesn't have to necessarily mean you're anemic, but you're iron deficient, and you have this craving. There's a miscommunication in the brain and these chemicals in your body, and you just have the craving and you chew the ice. Okay. Another one is with candy. Candy, the sugar again. And if you have really what people call a sweet tooth, and they consider that, oh, I just have a sweet tooth, a lot of times that's an indication either of a lack of protein in the body or a lack of fat. So the next time you have a sugary craving, consider that. Think about that. You know, if you just need that sugar, get a piece of fruit instead. All right, or eat peanut butter or something high in protein. Cheese is another highly addictive dairy product. It has effects on the brain like opioids, the drugs opioid, like Oxycontin and drugs in that class. That's why cheese is so hard to stop. An alternative to that, to correct that order of disorder, is green leafy vegetables. Okay. Another one is pickles. A lot of pregnant women eat pickles, or people just like pickles. You know, I have a craving for pickles. Once they get their hands on pickles, they're okay. That's also an indication of low levels of acid in your stomach. And your body has this craving. It's like signals. Your body, if you listen to your body talks to you, tells you what you need. When you're thirsty, what do? You drink water. Or at least you should drink water, but a lot of people have some type of liquid beverage, right? So pickles, again, is a lack of acid in the stomach. And you're craving this vinegary substance. Your body is craving this vinegary substance. So instead of eating pickles, I mean, pickles is fine. You know, it's empty calories, no nutrition in it at all. I would suggest an alternative to that is a salad dressing. All right? Make your little salad and eat a vinaigrette type of salad dressing. All right? again, like I said, I mentioned ice or even clay is a sign of anemia. I'm sorry. It can be anemic or associated with anemia or not associated with anemia, but you're definitely iron deficient. All right, and eating foods in high iron, which green leafy vegetables again, can cut that craving. All right, cravings are an addiction. It's the brain signaling the body that you need this. When you do consume it, you get a release of dopamine, the happy drug. Okay, alcoholics, when they get that drink, they get that happy chemical release. You know, they're happy, they're good. Coffee, people can't function in the mornings until they get that cup of coffee. All right. So just, those are just a few addictions or cravings. Like I said, it's important to listen to your body. Your body tells you things. Okay, when you have a headache, there's something going on. When you have an ache in your body, there's something going on. Okay, your body communicates with you. You just have to learn how to listen to it. All right, I'm Dr. Watts with DWO and the House of Wellness. Have a great day.